Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to apply to German universities using the Uni Assist platform. This video is very crucial and very important to me because many of you have been requesting for it. Francis, we need a Uni Assist tutorial from you, and then this is the time. I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide. Yeah, because Uni Assist is a central platform that many universities in Germany here use to receive application from international students. So if you talk of Uni Assist, it is very crucial when you come to study in Germany. So if you are ready, pick your pens, your notepads, and then let's dive straight into today's tutorial. All right, so let's begin from the scratch by searching Uni Assist. Uni Assist. So we are going to the home page of Uni Assist, and then this is how the Uni Assist homepage looks like. So now it's in Deutsch. So if you want to change it, it is in German. If you want to change it, you just come here and then you change it to English. So now that's turned to English. Your access point to German universities. So they have quick links here that can help you with a checklist, deadlines and processing time, everything applying online for universities, everything is here. So we are going to My Assist. So this is the place where we are coming to create our account. So you come to sign in because we haven't signed in. So you come here to create create a new account. So here they need your email address. You re-enter your email and then you choose a password. That is all what you need to create your Uni Assist account. After filling these details, they are going to ask you to confirm. This is your Uni Assist account activation. So you are going to confirm your account. So assuming you have clicked on this link to activate your account, it's going to bring you straight to this side where we are going to sign in. So now after the activation of your account, you need to sign in. This is my email that I used, fakroma25@gmail.com. And then the password has already been entered. So you just click sign in. And then it has brought us to the Uni Assist homepage where this is a database section where we are going to search for our schools and then apply. We're going to search for schools and apply. So assuming it's still at summer semester 2026. So let's delete this one and then select winter semester 2026 to 2027. We are not going to enter any university for now. Let's look at what it will give us. So when I clicked search, these are the schools that Uni Assist has given to us. So these are the programs that are receiving admissions currently. So it is still in Deutsch, so we can change the language here to English. And then you have everything here. We have double bachelor's degree, English studies at this university. You can come to show more, and then you will read everything that is here. So if let's say we want to select this program, we just come to let me see, you just come here as select, and then it will be added to your basket. It's like you are buying something online, so it will be added to your basket. So let's say you can see that in my basket I have three applications. In my basket, and then for every single application you are going to pay 75 euros. 75 euros. Let me add one. This is the first application, 75 euros for the first one. Let me try to add another one. All right, so assuming we want to add this MSc Computer Simulation in Science. So this one is at this university, and then it is free application. Yeah, so admission restriction is free. This one is not admission restricted. It's a non-admission restricted program. So we just move to select, and then it will be added. So you see that the basket here has changed to 2. The basket here has changed to 2. So now we have 2 selected. When you selected the 2, you can see the first one, they are taking 75 euros, and then the third one is 30 euros. So this is how Uni Assist operates. The first application, you pay 75, and then the second one, you pay 30 euros. So these two applications that we have selected, if we are to make the payments now, we are going to pay 105 euros. So every application that we add again will also be 30 euros. So it's going to add and then it will be 135 euros. It will be moving. So when you select the program, we have unanswered mandatory questions. These are questions that are peculiar to the university, to the program that you want to apply. So you have to answer these questions. Yeah, you don't have to see this unanswered mandatory questions here. No, if you are seeing this here, it means you've still not gotten to the point where you can submit your application, because you are still seeing unanswered mandatory questions. Let's click on it, and then it will bring us here. So this is where you are going to fill in your educational data, your university entrance exams, study outside. They are going to ask you a lot of questions. These are simple questions that you can answer them on your own. These are simple questions that you can answer. So assuming that you have finished answering these questions, this side is going to turn green. Now it's red, it's going to turn green. And then every application that we are going to fill must turn green. And then we move on to your application. You come here. Yeah, so I hope you can see it. You come to document side, and then this is where you are going to upload your document for Uni Assist to process it, your document. So let's assume that, and then they have said it here, that you have to please upload only PDF, only PDF. They need only PDF files. And then the maximum of size per each document should be, or per document should be, not more than 10.45 megabytes. Yes. So we need to select the category. So let's say the category of document that we need to upload. They have some listed categories for us here. So let's say we want to upload our CV. So the CV is here, and then you click in this box. You click it, and then let's say this is our CV. This is our CV. So we have to upload any document. So, and I've selected it, so I just click here, upload. And then you see your file was uploaded successfully. So you come to select another category. Every category that you need will be found here. So anything that is not here that you still want to upload, you can just upload it under other documents, but you will name it correctly. You have selected order, but if it's your transcript that you selected order, then you say maybe Francis Akroma transcript, Francis Akroma. Anyhow you want to name it, you can select the order as many as possible, and then you upload your documents. So let's assume that you have uploaded all your documents, and then now it's time for the payment. It's time for your payment. You need to pay. Let's go to choose payment option. But because we haven't completed the answered questions, the mandatory questions, we are not able to move ahead with the payment. But with the payment, you can either pay with your Visa card or through bank or with your credit card, any card or any means of payment that you want to use, it will be available for you to use it. So this was a quick run through with you concerning the Uni Assist. I ran you through the Uni Assist platform, and then at this moment or at this time, I know that you should be able to navigate your way through. So whether it's a VPD that you need from Uni Assist, or Uni Assist are going to forward your documents directly, you will still go through the same process as I have shown you today. So I hope this video will help you. If you liked it, kindly hit on the like button, and then subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and then share this video to as many people as you want, or as many people as possible. And then I will meet you in my next video, where we are going to learn another educative topic